If you too sit in front of your screen like this, figuring out what's the next best famous diet you can try, you are just like most of us out here. There's so much out there, Bollywood stars, fitness influencers, and we all want to know what's best for us. That's why today I put 5 Bollywood celebrities and 5 fitness influencers diet on trial and rank all 10 from worst to best, purely on one question. Is this actually good for a normal person like you and me? Some things to keep in mind before we start. I'm not just going, oh, healthy or oh, unhealthy. Every diet gets scored out of 10 on 3 things: balance, protein, carbs, fats, actual nutrients, not just calories. Second, sustainability. Could you eat like this every week without losing your mind and your money? Third, real life practicality. Does this work with an Indian kitchen, a 9 to 6 job, and a mother who thinks her cooking has 0 calories? Let's start from the bottom. First, the Trent twins. Their breakfast philosophy is basically
crumble cookies, sushi, processed foods, seed oils.
looks like a diet built entirely on vibes and steroid. Score 2 out of 10. No structure, no protein target, and the only consistent nutrient here is chaos. Great for content, terrible for your gut. Sam's Ulick. Sam's breakfast is leftover whole milk plus a full box of donuts, 250 grams of carbs before 9 am, and barely 29 grams of protein. Way too little to actually build the muscle he's famous for. Then the score is 3.5 out of 10. He's built like a Greek statue, but that's genetics and gym hours doing the heavy lifting, not this diet. My suggestion, don't copy this one. Then Deepika Padukone. 2 egg whites, skipping the yolk, skipping rice completely, dosa with filling removed. It's discipline, but almost too disciplined. The score is 5 out of 10. Cutting out entire food groups like rice isn't necessary for most people, and egg yolks actually have most of the nutrients. Great willpower, questionable nutritional logic. Chris Heria. Chris eats a thoughtful, well-balanced 2000 calories a day, protein, carbs, fats, all accounted for. Problem is, at his size and training level, even he admits on camera, it's not enough calories to actually gain muscles on. Score is 6 out of 10. Well structured, but he's the first one to say, don't copy this exactly or you will end up underfed. Ranveer Singh. Egg whites, high protein every 3 hours, low carb, low oil, protein, shake IV drip. This is a get shredded for a movie poster diet. Score is 6.5 out of 10. Great protein game, but the low carb, low oil combo 5 to 6 times a day is genuinely hard to sustain if you also have a life, especially outside a movie set. Now, SRK. His whole philosophy, according to our trusted internet sources, is whatever's cooked at home, he eats it. Dal, roti, sometimes biryani, no drama. His actual discipline is portion control, not food restriction. The score is 7 out of 10. Not the most optimized diet on this list, but honestly, eat everything in moderation might be the most realistic advice for a normal person out of all 10. Shilpa Shetty. We all know she's famous for her toned body and her perfect diet, which includes overnight oats soaked with chia seeds and almond milk, high fiber, slow release carbs, keeps blood sugar stable, so you are not raiding the biscuit tin by 11 am. The score is 8 out of 10. Simple, cheap, and something you can actually prep the night before work. This is most the copy-paste-able breakfast on the whole list. Now we have Akshay Kumar. Paratha and milk in the morning, roti, dal, veggies, curd, chicken for lunch, and light soup for dinner before 8 pm. Score is 8.5 out of 10. This is basically the diet your mom has been telling you to eat your whole life. Balanced, home-cooked meal, boringly sustainable, which is exactly why it works. Lean beef patty, cottage cheese for protein, peppers and veggies for fiber, a blended protein ice cream for dessert that still hits her macros. Score is 9 out of 10. Whole foods hits her protein, still leaves room for something that tastes like a treat. This is what disciplined but not miserable looks like. Jeff Nippard. Lean turkey, rice, Greek yogurt, fruit before training, protein shakes after, chicken, potato and healthy fats at night. And if he has calories left over, he lets himself have chocolates. Yeah. So the score is 9.5 out of 10. Every macro accounted for, real food and room for a treat without falling apart. It's evidence-based, not vibe-based. and our winner. So here's the final ranking. Trent Twins, rock bottom, Jeff Nippard on top. Everyone else in somewhere in the middle, which may or may not work for you based on your requirement. But here's the twist. The best diet on paper isn't always the right one for you. Jeff's diet need tracking, planning, meal prep. If that's not realistic for your life, honestly, Akshay Kumar's roti, dal, sabzi routine or Shilpa Shetty's overnight oats will get you 80% of the results with zero stress and zero fancy equipments. The real lesson from all 10 of these, you need to use these diets swad anusar. Because you don't need a celebrity chef or fitness influencer's meal plan. You need consistency, enough protein, and food you can actually stick to on any day. One thing to remember here is most of these meal plans were for breakfast, the most important meal of the day. But you need to make sure you eat good and well-balanced food in every meal and on most days. If you enjoyed this, please share it with your friends. Drop your opinion on these diets in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.